Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to the online class. Coronavirus is spread all over the world. At this danger period, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. At first, I am giving you my introduction. My name is Sohela Parvin, Assistant Teacher of Sherpur Government Teacher Model High School, Sherpur, Bogura. I am taking the English first paper for class 9 and 10. Look at the picture. What are you seeing? Yes, a man sits on the bench and he is reading newspaper. You know that newspaper is the storehouse of knowledge. There are many news and views of countries and abroad in it. By reading newspaper, we can acquire knowledge. When we acquire knowledge, we gain skill. When we gain skills, ultimately our behavior is changed. Our changing behavior that we show in our real life. It is called attitude. So we have come to the point. Do you tell me what's our today's lesson? Our today's lesson is knowledge, skills and attitudes. So open your English first paper, unit number 1, lesson number 2, page number 6. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to describe the picture, narrate about knowledge, narrate the importance of skill. Now, at first, we have to know the meanings of the keywords. Knowledge. Knowledge means wisdom, consciousness, learning, knowing. Then skill. Skill means ability, efficiency, proficiency, knack, expertness. After that, attitude. Attitude means sentiment, outlook, feeling, behavior, conduct. Let us to know about knowledge. We need knowledge. Our society is knowledge-based society. Have you heard the name of Socrates? He taught the people in the roadside, in the market, where the people is gathered. From the ancient time to the present, we are learning because knowledge is very important in our life. So we have to know. We know about modern science, technology including ICT and other subjects. As you want to be a good citizen, you should know about our country, geography, our people, our state, our legislative power, our judicial system, our tradition, our culture, our religious, our socio-economic activities, our educational system, etc. Here I have included some points. Look at this. Tradition, history, about ICT, judgment, culture, our state and constitution, our geography. So look at the picture and think attentively. What picture is about? It's the court. What type of picture do you tell me? Yes, you are right. It's our countryside's picture. Here we see a river, some rocks, lands, people, some trees. So it's our countryside's picture. This picture that you have seen in front of the judge. It's a rally or procession that occurs on the Sohela Boishakh. It's a function. It's arranged on the Victory Day. It's our historical place named Sompura Bhira. Now, dear students, fill in the gaps. The first and third pictures are related to dash. The second picture is about dash. The fourth picture shows us our dash. The fifth picture shows us our dash. Figure number 6 is about dash. You have answered the fill in the gaps? Yes. Now correct your answer. The first and third pictures are related to our judicial system. The second picture is about our country, geography and people. The fourth picture shows us our tradition. The fifth picture shows us our culture. Picture number 6 is about our history. So, we can understand that knowledge is very important. We need knowledge, but we also need skill. So knowledge is not enough. We must apply our knowledge. If we apply knowledge, we will be skilled. When we gain skills, our behavior is changed towards others. This changing behavior that we show in our real life, that is attitude. Knowing and doing brings a significant change. So, it will help to deal with our outside. Look at the picture, then think and describe about them individually. This is the first picture. Look, he's a woman, she's a girl. Maybe she's a mother. A mother is sending her daughter for going to school to acquire knowledge. So we understand that this picture is indicated to acquire knowledge. This picture is indicated skills. He is a skillful person and he is a helpless person. By acquiring knowledge, the skillful person gives his hand towards the helpless person, try to solve his problem. What kind of picture is it? What is indicated? It indicates our attitude. The man who bears the old and helpless people. So, it's our positive feelings. Acquiring knowledge and gaining skills, he develops his attitude of helping and responsibility. So, after the discussion of the lesson, we understand that knowledge, skill, and attitude are very important in our life. So we acquire knowledge and gain skills and show our positive attitude to others. Now I read out the summary of the lesson. Firstly, we need knowledge. To acquire knowledge, we know modern science, technology, including ICT and other necessary subjects. Secondly, we also skill to apply our knowledge in practical situation that we gain to acquire knowledge. Thirdly, knowledge together with skills brings about behavioral change towards others, which is called attitude. The attitude will show how we think and feel about a person or thing. So we can say that acquiring knowledge and gaining skill must change one's behavior towards others. This behavioral change may be physically and mentally. It also develops our attitude of helping and cooperating with each other. Thus, we are developed our practical and social life. So, we must say that knowledge, skills, and attitude, basically positive attitude, are very important in our real life. Now, choose the correct answer from the alternatives. What is knowledge? To do something, to know something, to ask something, to feel something. Question number 2. What do you mean by skills? To do things, to be a good citizen, to have nice attitude, to be able in the application of knowledge. Now, check your answer. Answer of the question number 1, to know something. Answer of the question number 2, to be able in the application of knowledge. Now, write down your homework in your khata. If you want to be a good citizen, what do you need? I say again, if you want to be a good citizen, what do you need? Write in your own words. If you read the summary of the lesson, you easily answer these questions. Now, after finishing the lesson, what we learn about the lesson? Moral value. It's very important to build up our life. After finishing this lesson, we have come to the moral value. What is it? Yes, you guess right. You are right. Knowledge is power. Moral value is knowledge is power. Dear student, in this danger period, you don't go out from home. Stay at home. Read attentively. I shall meet with you in the next class. No more today. Take care of you. Goodbye.